Today we are in San Bernardino Pass because we are going to Ticino, the Italian part of Switzerland. And it's so cold because it's so high in here. The place is on top of the mountain. But there is a lake here on top of the mountain. Grabe, ang lamig dito. We're eating lunch here at San Bernardino Pass. Front of the lake. Wow! So nice. The sun is out. The weather is nice. The weather is cold but sunny, so we can see good view from here. It's Kryptonite. Krypton. Planet Krypton. It's all rocks. Hi, we are in Ticino and this is the view. This is an Italian village at the top of the mountain. Oh my god, the road going here is breathtaking. As in literal guys, na hindi ka makahinga. Oh my god, grabe. Pero ang taas-taas na dito. Ang kikitid ng mga daan. Oh my god, I cannot imagine myself driving here. Grabe. Pero maganda. Maganda. It's a typical Italian village na ang liit ng mga daan. Tapos parang may mga may simbahan katulad nito. Simbahan to pero nasa tuktok na siya. Tapos may mga maliliit na plaza. Tapos ito lang yung daan guys, isang sasakyan lang yung makakadaan dyan. Tapos ito yung makikita mo from here because we are at the top of the mountain. And here are the typical Italian houses. Yan, mga bato yung mga nila, yung mga bubong nila. We are staying here in this Italian villa. And here outside, we are having coffee. This is the typical Swiss house, stone house. Here is our dining and our kitchen. We will be staying here. The rooms are not in the same spot. It's kind of difficult if you are used to luxurious kind of accommodation. This is very rural, but it's good. This is our Italian villa. The view. You can hear the river down there. You can smell the coffee. The road is behind that door. They're staying here. Today we are in Sononio. It is an Italian town in Versasca, Ticino. It is a town near the Versascan River, and it is an Italian village here. And we are exploring this beautiful Italian town today. For reference, katulad yung mga bahay dito, katulad nung nasa Batanes, yung mga bahay na bato. Pero yung mga bubong nila is made of stones also. Hindi katulad sa Batanes na made of grass. Here. This is the example of the cemetery. Some of the people who are buried here are from early 1900s. There's one who was born here in 1883. Oh my God. So, ang tagal-tagal na nitong town na to. It's been here for 1,700 years. Hello guys, from the Italian part of Switzerland. We are in Ascona. Okay, so this is a city sa tabi lang ng Lago Longo. Okay, the Long Lake. Okay. It's a different experience. Feeling mo nasa Italy ka talaga. Kasi it's an Italian village near the lake. It's a different perspective from the Italian side of Switzerland. Gano ka mo? Ciao! Ciao! We are eating gelato and
Friday, Monday.
where are we, Papa? Where are we?
Locarno.
Locarno. Mama is eating ice cream, gelato, and Locarno. Yep. Wake me up when I home. Hello, we are in Locarno. Woohoo! This is the plaza in Locarno. These are real pumpkins. So you can buy this for 30 Swiss francs, 25. Oh my guys. It's my first time to see these pumpkins. Kasi nga papunta ng November. So pumpkins here are in season. Kaya ganito siya. Ang laki. Tapos iba't ibang uri ng pumpkin. Grabe. Kasi sa atin, ito lang yung ganitong klase lang ng pumpkin. These are bigger than a person. And there are cute pumpkins also. Hello! Nice. First, ready? Today is Saturday and we decided to make a hike, and this is the view. Oh my god. We are hiking in the Alps. See? Okay, we are 40 minutes to our hike and we are already tired. This is not easy. They said that it's number 3 in the category of difficulty. But it's 90% difficulty. Just me. But we enjoy it because you can see the Alps from here. It's cold, it's nice weather, nice view. So every step is worth it. Let's go. Hours and a half. We will rest for a while here. Here we will eat some. Manu will order for us. Cheers! This is our view going down from the hike after 2 hours. Oh! Very nice view. Okay, the hike is almost over. Oh, we're from that mountain. Going down here to this beautiful lake. Okay. You happy? You happy?
Yeah, it's a celebration.
Yay! Up here, up here, up here. Yeah. Oh! 6:25 in the evening, and we're doing the sunset hike because guys, ito talaga yung nangyari. Dapat kasi tapos na yung hike namin, kaya lang when we came to the cable car station, hindi nag-work yung cable car dahil safety first. The wind is so strong, so hindi pwedeng i-operate ang cable car. So wala kaming choice but to walk for another 2 hours in a steep road going down. This road is kinda medyo okay lang, medyo hindi siya ganun ka-narrow, and maraming mga cows there, and maganda yung view, so parang mawawala yung pagod mo kahit pa paano. But pag binamalas ka naman talaga, extra 2 hours of hike. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. We are now eating ramen.
When you like to stop to eat, you can put the hot pan here on this.
Yeah.
Who likes some spicy garlic?
This is our last day of roaming around Switzerland, and now we are in the old city of Bern, the capital of Switzerland. This is the old city of Bern. You know, the colors here are natural. What you see, it's like limestone green color. It's natural in the building. The Libra.
It's for you.
Yes, Papa. This is the famous landmark in Bern. It's really nice. The weather is good. It's cold, but it's not rainy. We are in the plaza, the center of Bern. This is their government office. This is the National Bank. And these are the buildings around the center. Nice. We are in a cookie factory, Cambly biscuits and cookie factory here in Bern. And we will have unlimited cookies here. This is their store. When you're here, you can smell the cookies. You can smell the butter. You can smell the sugar. It's really, I'm excited to go here. You're eating free cookies?
Yeah, busog na nga eh.
You can get from here.
That's nice.
Yeah. Like it. Ah. Lucas' favorite.
Yeah, I took one back.
Wow. I like. These are for free. Ito, mga pagkain na to, mga cookies na to, may free taste lahat. Pag sa Pilipinas talaga to, mauubos to. So, tingnan nyo naman yung kamay ko. It's a lot of cookies that I cannot eat anymore. I think it's good. Heaven. Okay, we bought all these biscuits and crumbly. So nice. And we are also full. Last look. Bye-bye, Ootsville. Bye-bye. 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 Going home now. Going to the airport.
Nice and doce. Sen kanske någon.
Dankeschön. Love you. Love you. Bye-bye. Oh yeah, I'm shy. I'm shy.
1, 2, 3, go. Ready? Sige.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Ano yun?